Does an irregular notice to quit rob the landlord of the right to recover possession? The law is strict that serving the appropriate notice to quit is a sine qua non for terminating a tenancy and recovery of possession of rented property from a tenant. Does it mean that if there is any irregularity in the notice to quit, that the tenant can now retain the property? Equity have said no. Equity have said that whenever there is any controversy on how notice to quit was served or any irregularity in serving notice to quit, that filing of an action by the landlord to regain possession of the property serves as a sufficient notice on the tenant that he is required to yield up possession of that property. Immediately a writ is filed to regain possession, the irregularities in the notice, if any, is cured. Even when a notice to quit is irregular, the minute a writ of summons for repossession is served on the tenant, it serves as adequate notice. It does not matter whether there is irregularity in the notice. Once the landlord goes to court to file summons, writ of summons for repossession. So the story is now different. Gone are the days when troublesome tenants will hold on to technicalities of service of statutory notices to defeat the claim of the property owners and illegally hold such properties. The Supreme Court has now responded to this sad occasion by coming to the rescue of landlords or property owners whose tenants have over the years been clinging on the issue of improper service of statutory notice to unjustifiably hold onto the landlord's property without payment of the agreed rent or complying with the terms of the agreement. That was in the case of Pillars Nigeria Limited versus Williams Kojo. In that same case, the Supreme Court held that, let me even read out, that the trick of faulty notice used by tenants to perpetuate possession in a house or property which the landlord had slaved to build and relies on for means of sustenance cannot be sustained in any just society under the guise of adherence to any technical rule. We are now at a new dawn with the above quoted cases. If you're watching me from Facebook, please follow my page, like, comment, share this video. And if you're also watching me from YouTube, please touch the subscription button for me. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.